Welcome to my channel, Vision Programmer. Are you ready? Let's talk about image segmentation. Hey, I'm really happy to have you here. Today I have put together a video all about image segmentation, what it is, the different types, and how you can achieve them. I have also reviewed some of the most recent papers published in top journals, and I am bringing those insights to you in this tutorial. So let's get started. What is image segmentation? Image segmentation generally means the process of partitioning an image into regions and assigning each pixel a label corresponding to its object. For example, as you can see in the photo, the image of the cat, every pixel has its own label, for example, a sky, tree, cat, and grass. What are the types of image segmentation? The first one is semantic segmentation, second instance segmentation, and the third panoptic segmentation. And what is the semantic segmentation means? It means classifying every pixel into a fixed set of classes. For example, car, road, sky, person. It doesn't differentiate between instances of a class. What are the ways of semantic segmentation? Before deep learning arrives and at the beginning, the ways were thresholding and edge detection, then region-based and graph-based methods. After deep learning arrived, the methods become fully convolutional networks, encoder-decoder-based approaches, and modern ways depend on the transformers and open vocabulary. As you can see, the image shows semantic segmentation. Different classes have different colors, and instances of a class has the same color around the image. For example, the person has the red color around the image. Recently, open vocabulary has attracted attention of the researcher. A researcher proposed different methods. For example, they proposed clip-based. As you can see, it is under the image. On the top, and the next ways are mask clip, S clip, proxy clip, and at the bottom, as you can see, is the ground truth of the semantic segmentation. There are different data sets used for semantic segmentation. They are Pascal Vogue 21 or 20, ADE 20K, Pascal Context 60 or 59, Coco Object Stuff, and City Escapes. The next segmentation is instance segmentation. What does it mean? It means detect and segment each individual object instance even within the same class. As you can see in the image is instance segmentation, so instances of a same object have different colors, like tie and person in this image. What are the ways for instance segmentation? There are categorized in 4 categories. The first category is classification of mask proposal, like RCNN, fast RCNN, and faster RCNN. The next category is detection followed by segmentation, like mask RCNN, PANET, and MPN. The next category is labeling pixels followed by clustering, like deep watershed transform and instance cut. The next category is dense sliding window methods like deep mask, instance FCN, and tensor mask. The data set used for instance segmentation are Coco dataset, City Escapes dataset, and Mapillary Vistas datasets. The next segmentation is panoptic segmentation. What does it mean? It means combining semantic segmentation and instance segmentation. So classifying objects into 2 categories, things and stuff. How does panoptic segmentation works? It fuses 2 segmentation models. The first is semantic segmentation model and the next is instance segmentation model. So each pixel of the image is labeled by either semantic segmentation or instance segmentation. If a pixel has labeled by both semantic and instance segmentation, the priority is for instance segmentation. So we put the instance segmentation label. There are different datasets used like City Escapes, ADE 20K, and Vistas datasets for panoptic segmentation. As you can see, this is an example of panoptic segmentation. Each pixel of the image is labeled by either stuff or things. Stuff are related to road and sky, as you can see in the image, and they are labeled by semantic segmentation. Things are like cars, instances of cars, and they are recognized or labeled by instance segmentation. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, please like, share and comment below. Also, if you have any idea to see next on my YouTube channel, please comment it below. Thanks. Bye.